Let's log in with our email ID and the password. So once you have logged in, you will be able to see the dashboard of Amplius Enterprise version. How this tool works is basically you will get certain credits based on the package that you have opted for, and those credits would be available for you to search for people and company information. So to start with, go to the search on the side, click on it, click on people and company. So you can see that we have these many number of contacts, direct emails, companies and subsidiaries information. So how you can search for the particular prospects that you are looking for, we have filters on the left hand side. You can search by a person's first name, last name. You can search by the keyword. You can search by their titles, for example, if they're CEOs, CFOs, whoever you are looking for. And then you can also search using the level, their seniority levels like C level, VP level, director, managers, etc. You also have the option to filter them by the department. Say, for example, you only want prospects from the sales marketing department, human resources, you can do search that or filter that. Company search is also available, wherein you can search by a particular company's name, and you can also search based on a particular company's industry. Then you also have the location filter, wherein you can search your prospects for a certain particular location. You also can drill down your search by the city or the state. So let's take an example. For example, let's say John wants information for any companies that have the keyword, say, IT in them, right? So you just select IT. Then he only wants to reach out to C level, PP level and director level and manager level people. He wants this information to be from only the sales and marketing department, and he wants to search for prospects only from locations, say US, United Kingdom and India. You can put in multiple options by clicking on the click and the CTRL together. After you are happy with your filtration, just click on search. So once you click on search, you will be able to see all the records that you would receive by putting in all the filters. You can further filter these people using just their business emails or to include only phone numbers. So you can select that. And once you are happy with your sorting, you can click on search again. So now you can see you will only get people for whom we have their business emails, and that includes phone numbers as well. How you can get this information is basically you can click on the person's name. You will be able to see their work email, the company that they are working for, their phone number, city, industries, etc. So how you can download the whole list or the particular people that you are looking to download, you can click on the people's name, contact's name. Say I want to download all these people for my search, and then just click on download. Once you click on that, you will be able to see that I have selected 6 people. So you can download only the 6 people, or you can put in the number of records that you want to download, or you can download the whole list as well. Say for example, I remove all the people selected and I want to download the whole list and not just the selected people. So I'll remove that. I'll click on the download option. I'll select, say, the number of rows, maybe 100, 200, or you can select the all list. The name of the list I'll put would be, say, demo all, and maybe say I want the type to be Excel. You can download it in form of Excel, CSV, text, and then you can put that up on your CRM. So I'll go to my download page. So as you can see, I have multiple downloads that history has been shown. So I'll click on this, the final download that I have done for this demo. You go to the Excel sheet and see how the downloads look like for me. So here you go. You can see the master ID, the full name, the title, company, etc. All the information, their web addresses, their LinkedIn URLs, company profiles, everything. So this is how your download would look like. So you can go back to searching again if you want to continue your search, and then you can start afresh. So I hope you liked the demo. If you need any other assistance or if you need more information, you can book a personal demo with us and we'll be able to take you through based on the use case that you might have. and we'll be happy to do a one-on-one demo with you.